Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. Today's video topic is if you are unable to update your Windows 10 or you are getting any kind of error while updating your Windows 10. In this video we are going to fix it. So without wasting your time, let's start with our step 1. Click on your Windows icon, then type troubleshooter. Then click on this option at the top, troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Then click on additional troubleshooters. After that, click on this option Windows Update. Click on it. Then click on this option Run the troubleshooter. So this will try to identify if you have any issue with your Windows Update. You have to wait for a few minutes. This will troubleshoot and fix your error. As you can see the result, I am still getting the error. In the most cases, this troubleshooter will fix your issue. Now move on to our next step. If you are still getting the same issue, open your C drive and delete all the temporary Windows Update files. So for that, click on this PC, then open your C drive, then open your Windows folder. Now you have to search for a folder called software distribution. So this is the folder we need, software distribution. Open this folder. Now you have to select all the files. So press Ctrl A together to select all the files, then delete all the files. So these are the temporary update files which are not necessary. Delete all the files. Now after that, click on your Windows icon and type services. Click on this option services. So this will open your Windows services. Now you have to search for a service called Windows Update. This is a service we need, Windows Update. So right click on it, then click on properties. Now in the startup type, change it to automatic. Then click on apply to apply the changes. After that, stop this service, click on stop. Then start this service again, click on start. That's it. Then click on OK. After that, cut this window. And now restart your system and this will definitely fix your Windows 10 update issue error. Now move on to our next step. If you are still getting the same issue, in this step we are going to repair our Windows corrupted files. So for this, click on your Windows icon again, then type CMD. You will get this option command prompt. Right click on it, then click on run as administrator. So this is the command prompt. Now you have to type a command to repair your Windows corrupted files. So the command will be sfc space /scan now. Press enter. So this process will take around 3 to 5 minutes to complete, and this will repair or replace your Windows corrupted files. So the process has been completed. Now cut this window and restart your system and this will fix your issue. So these are the some steps you can try to fix if you are unable to update your Windows 10. This is all for the video. Thank you.